Founded in 2011, Aquasust has dedicated its 14 years to the research, development, and manufacture of screw presses and dosing systems. Leveraging its extensive technical expertise, Aquasust has been awarded numerous utility model patents, and its quality management system is ISO 9001 certified. As a powerful manufacturer in the industry, we have a professional welding and assembly team with an annual output of about 700 units. We have an efficient delivery capacity of 2 units per day, providing customers with reliable products and timely services. Our proven production processes and robust production capacity are the cornerstones of our success. Let's work together to find the optimal solution for your project. Contact Aquasust for professional product selection advice and technical support to address your business challenges.